gonna get knocked out. Not knocked out.
I'm gonna get you knocked up, not knocked up.
I think you two are pretty evenly matched. Why can't you just try?
Wait.
You should be so lucky.
Everybody's making me laugh. What happened?
I think I got
Shake it off, boys. That looks like he's really fighting. Kittles, do you have anything to say?
That I'm really thirsty.
Okay, Courtney, do you have anything to say?
Did you see how my husband kicks people's asses?
Okay. Got a little TV going on.
Whoa!
That is freaking out.